Hello, and welcome to today's demonstration on SAP Responsible Design. The following vision demo is considered a lab preview and is subject to change. Welcome to the Green Food Corporation. We are a global producer of nutritional products and supplements. Today we will be observing two of our colleagues, Michael Market, who is a product/brand manager, and Petra Product, who is a packaging engineer, as they leverage SAP to improve our products and packaging to enable us to reach the sustainability targets we have established. Michael starts his day by reviewing the sustainability campaigns Green Foods has established since adding sustainability as one of our main targets several years ago. We set up new campaigns every year to improve our products and packaging, and just a few days ago, we announced a new campaign called Sustainable Products 2023. Michael reviews the campaign and the goals within the campaigns to see how his products are already performing against these goals. He has provided a comprehensive view on sustainability based upon all the relevant data sources. Michael easily sees that within the new Sustainable Products campaign, the current performance and forecast is behind plan. He wishes to drill down to see which specific goals are included in the new campaign. Michael sees from this that the campaign has several goals. Number one, the reduction of virgin plastics, and number two, the increase of the overall recyclability of products per specific markets. He sees that the campaign is not on track in the total number of affected products and now wants to look at the specific products for which he is responsible. Michael can see the performance of his products and which of them are the least compliant to the new goals. Michael sees that the popular and highly successful vanilla protein milkshake is currently the least compliant, and Michael decides now to staff a project team to do something about the compliance issues. Petra Products, who is assigned as part of the project team to look at these products, is looking at the vanilla protein milkshake. Leveraging SAP responsible design and production, she easily gets an overview about the current sustainability state of the packaging of the protein milkshake. It appears that the materials in the packaging, like the carbon black bottle and the use of mainly virgin plastics within the bottle, are the main issues of the packaging composition. Petra thinks that she now wants to look for possible alternatives for the problematic packaging element. Prior to doing so, she first wants to investigate the existing product specification to see the details of the current product and all the characteristics that define it, including any relevant sustainability characteristics which are used to fuel the data behind the campaigns. After reviewing the current spec, Petra returns to the dashboard for the currently packaging composition for the milkshake bottle and decides that it's time to look for possible alternatives to resolve these issues. Petra could have started by designing a new spec from scratch, but in this instance, SAP Responsible Design and Production can use intelligent algorithms on the data coming directly from the specification database to automatically propose valid alternatives for the packaging element. Petra now reviews these suggested alternatives and can pick which alternatives that she wants to take over into the packaging composition for a later simulation. Inspired from the promising material substitutions and alternatives, Petra now creates 4 alternative packaging compositions or variants and compares them against the current composition and sees the results across each level of the packaging composition, and the areas of concern are highlighted for easy analysis. The transparent bottle, variant B, appears to be the most desirable replacement alternative, and she wishes to do some further comparisons. Petra starts to compare the variants against the current one. She can easily adjust the weightings in the top area and see how any changes in these focus areas or on certain markets or attributes are immediately reflected in the overall score of each packaging composition. She can already see from this overview how the new variants are scored against the current packaging composition based upon these key factors. Variant B still seems to be outperforming the current product. Petra further investigates the impact of the change on key markets, first focusing on recyclability of the new variant compared with that of the current. We can easily see that the current packaging composition is below standards from a recyclability perspective, while variant B seems to be addressing these key concerns in these key markets. Petra next looks at the details on the various sustainability attributes, which are also detailed out by specific countries. Here she can see what the market and sales impact of a change based upon the current selling markets determined within the weightings. Finally, she checks to see how profitable or the effects that the changes are going to make not only on the product cost. We see here that the purchasing cost for the new material is lower, but also how overall profitability may be affected from the perspective of EPR fees and plastic taxes relevant per the countries for this specific change. She sees a generally positive impact across all these key factors. Petra has completed her task and now notifies Michael that a new composition has been identified and ready for his review. Michael can select from the variants prepared by Petra and compare the alternative to the existing product according to the criteria seen in the lower right-hand portion of the screen. Michael would like to see how this new variant affects his products in the overall campaign and decides to run a simulation to assess the overall impact. After running the simulation, Michael sees improvement in several countries as evident from the markets map. Michael also sees within the most significant impact area, the newly transparent bottle satisfies all 5 of the compliance goals, and overall recyclability has been greatly improved. Michael decides that this alternative is worth pursuing further and approves a change to be made to the original product and to start putting the design activities in place to make the current alternative the new composition for the bottle moving forward. Through the use of solutions from SAP, Michael and Petra were able to redesign a more responsible product within our portfolio, enabling Green Food Corporation to deliver on our sustainability targets and transition to a responsible and circular product portfolio. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.